The footage of this kestrel was shot in the moorlands near Huddersfield, West Yorkshire. Apologies for the colour cast that keeps appearing. I neglected to set the white balance, so there's a bit of a green-purple shift occurring during the video. The kestrel that you see here is a male kestrel. It can be told apart from the female kestrels because it has the reddish-brown wings and the blue head. The female kestrel has more subdued brown colouring to it. Kestrels are one of the UK's smallest birds of prey, with a wingspan of only about 2 feet and only weighing about 200 grams. If you've seen a bird of prey hovering by the side of the motorway, then that was most likely a kestrel, hunting for mice and voles in the long grass by the sides. They are well known for their ability to hover. Other birds of prey can hover, but none can do it as well as the kestrel. They do it by fanning out the tail to act as a balance and then flapping the wings quickly to stay airborne. Most other birds of prey hover by using the wind to keep them airborne. They adjust their diet to suit what's available in their local area. They'll also take wood mice, shrews, small birds, insects and even earthworms. The kestrel's eyesight is a key to its success and one of the many marvels of nature. It can spot a beetle from 50 metres away. They can even see ultraviolet light, which is invisible to us humans. This means they can detect the urine trails left by rodents on the ground, which helps them to catch them. They've learnt to be adaptable when it comes to nesting, as they don't build their own. They'll use old or disused nests of crows or other stick nesters, and often use ledges on cliffs and buildings. As with many birds, their nesting is dictated by the weather and availability of food. If food is scarce, the female won't even be able to produce eggs. Generally, however, she will lay 3 to 6 eggs between late April and early May. The eggs are laid at 2-day intervals. This helps with the survival rate, as then they don't all hatch at the same time. If you enjoyed this video, then check out my channel for other drone videos and video editing tutorials. Subscribe so that you don't miss out on future videos and hit the thumbs up. Thank you for watching.